Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're feeling great. Today I'll be making some special fried chicken. And here are my ingredients. Well, that's my chicken, nicely washed, and ready to be cooked. Well, to be seasoned. So here are my ingredients that I will be using. Some paprika, hot chili. You don't have to use all these. But yes, let's season. So this is my blended seasoning. And next I'll be going in with some all-purpose seasoning, and you guys know I love it. And now I'm going in with some paprika. I'm trying not to use a lot, just a little bit, just a little bit. And now I'm going in with some salt, because you know the food can't be too fresh, not salt either. And this is some garlic and pepper. Yeah, that's garlic and pepper. So I'm just adding some of that, and now I'm going in with some chili. This is some chili, crushed chili. Yes, I think that's what it is. So of course you don't have to add or try to get the same garlic and pepper and the chili seasoning, right? Just use whatever seasoning you normally use, and yeah, just make sure you season it. So here it is all done, and then now I'm gonna bag it up because this was the day before I was gonna fry it. So here it is all ready and done for the refrigerator, right? So here are my other ingredients that I'll be using to go forward. So here I'm preheating my oil because we have to fry the chicken in some hot oil and not cold one. So I'm just preheating my oil, and then I'm gonna leave it and carry on to the next part of the video. So today I was not in the mood to dip my hand in flour and do all that. So I'm just putting the flour and adding a little bit of all-purpose seasoning in a bag, mix it up, shake it up, and then I'm gonna be dropping the chicken in it and giving it a shake and a toss and a floss and a wash to coat it nicely and evenly. And guess what? This actually, it's faster in a sense, but less clean up for sure. Yeah, I like doing it this way. So yeah, just close the bag and just let shake and toss. Me say shake and toss, shake and toss. You guys know how it goes. Shake and toss. Me say shake and toss. So pop it open and let's take them out and just set them on a tray, on a plate, on anything, right? And then you're gonna set them to the side. So here I'm putting them on a tray, a nice little tray, right? And then I'm going to do the rest because I'm frying 6 pieces of chicken. By the way, you guys see the thigh? That's my favorite part of the chicken. I love me some leg and thigh. That's the leg too. Hey leg. So yeah, my nice leg and thigh. One more leg. Come true, leggy. Look at you looking all leggy leg. Yes. So place that in the tray. And now that's us all done. And then we're going to test our oil, right? To make sure it's the right temperature. We need 170 degrees Celsius on that good boy. And now we're ready to fry. So just make sure your oil is hot and place those chicken in ever so gently, because you don't want that oil splashing on you and burning you to bits and pieces. So take your time. So that's our beautiful little chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn them over on the front just for a couple of minutes, because basically this is partially deep fried, deep fat fried chicken, because it's just not covered, right? Just a little bit of the top is left out. So I just need to turn it on there to get it a bit brown, and then I'm done. I think maybe I did like 2 minutes or 4, something like that. And then I'm flipping them back over now, and then I'm just gonna test to make sure they are good and fried, and then we take them out. So today I'll be putting them on a tray with napkin to get rid of the excess oil. Normally sometimes I put them on just like a what do you call it? A rack, right? And just let them just drain, the oil drain. But today I'm putting them on the tray, on the the napkin, to quickly absorb the excess oil, because of how I'll be continuing the rest of the process after this. Look at my chicken coming through, all golden brown. You guys look so beautiful. 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 So of course you put the leg in the pot, and then you let them small up themselves, go in the middle of the pot just to fry. Beautiful. Beautiful. They're almost done. So what we're going to do, I'm going to test them to make sure. Well, I'm taking out these, and then I'm taking out some, and then I'm going to test the others to make sure they are fried. So yeah, Vibes Fam, that is one way to test and make sure that your chicken is fried. When you press down on it, and if it start going all crazy, if the oil start popping and getting so violent, or not pop, but start, one whole heap of reel up, then your chicken is not fried. It has a lot of moisture. It has some moisture in it. So yeah, it could fry some more. So yes, this is it all done. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going into the next phase of getting this chicken all nice and special. So I'm adding a little bit of the oil that I used to fry the chicken. Now Vibes Fam, to be honest, you can use more oil, but you guys know I don't like using a lot of oil. But you can use more if you want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray some ketchup on these nice, beautifully fried chicken. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar all over them, right? And then now I'm going to, after I sprinkle, I'm just going to take my little spoon and kind of rub it, flip it over, and, spin them around in the oil, right? But, the little bit of oil that's in there, as I said, the ketchup would dissolve even faster, or would get on the chicken even faster if there was more oil. I do not like a lot of oil. So I'm just taking my time and just swish them all over around in the pot. By the way, I forgot. The stove is on low flame, like extremely low, the lowest of the lowest, right? Because you don't need the ketchup to burn. And to be honest, Vibes Fam, if the ketchup would burn, I would not put any oil in the pot. It's just because by itself it's gonna burn. So now I'm going in again, a little more oil, and put some ketchup. This is the last 3 pieces of chicken. Put some ketchup, sprinkle, 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 a little bit of sugar. You guys like my Texas voice. And then flip them over, move them around in the oil, and then we are going to do the same thing on the other side, right? Some ketchup, and then a little sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And then we're going to spin it around, spin it around, spin it around. And then that's going to be us Vibes Fam. Just as simple as that. And I'm telling you, it's so amazing. It's so good. But yeah, as I said, you can use more oil. And then it would make it so much easier for the ketchup to get all up on there very quickly. But yeah, for me, that's not what I want. So yeah, Vibes Fam, get it all up on there. And then if you see any part that needs some more ketchup, just spray it on there. And then push it around in the pot. And then that's going to be us, so beautiful and so nice and delicious. 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 And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Me say here we have it. Unu run come ya, run come ya, Co prettiness pan chicken. Chicken, no, chicky. You never did that for look so. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But no, other than beautiful, can I talk about delicioso? Delicious. Like nice. Like something to write home about. You take one bite of this and then you go and grab your pen and grab your little notebook and say, I have to write mommy about this. I have to write daddy about this. I have to tell somebody, grandma, grandpa, anybody. Vibes Fam, this is absolutely delicious. Co pretty. Yes, come through golden, the ketchup in nicey. Nice. Ready body, chicken. You ready. You take your vitamins and everything. You yes, come through. Beautiful. Vibes Fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go and follow me on Instagram, guys. Please follow me. Thank you so much. God bless you.